Hello and welcome to today's tutorial, where I'll show you how to hard reset your Honor smartphone quickly and easily. So, let's get started. First, power off your Honor smartphone completely. Once the phone is powered off, press and hold the power button and the volume up button simultaneously. When the Huawei logo appears on the screen, release the buttons. Your phone will now enter the recovery mode menu. In the recovery menu, use the touch screen or the volume down button to navigate to wipe data or clear data, depending on your phone model. If you're using the volume buttons, press the power button to confirm your selection. Next, select Factory Reset. On some Honor smartphones, you may be asked to type yes on the screen and then tap Factory Reset again to confirm. The reset process will now begin. To avoid system errors, do not turn off your phone during this process. If your battery is low, it's a good idea to connect your phone to a charger to avoid any interruptions. Once the process is complete, select Reboot System now to restart your device. After the restart, you will need to set up your phone like the first time, including selecting your language, Wi-Fi, and Google account. And that's it! Your Honor smartphone has been successfully hard reset. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.